Welcome to Key to English. This is episode 2, Unveil the Power of the Secret Pen and Truth. Meet Tom, a student who loves school, but not tests. Today, he finds something magical. Let's discover the story together. Let's go. One day, Tom sits at his desk in class. He sees a shiny pen that glows softly. What's this? He thinks. This is a pen, a tool to write with. Tom picks it up, and it feels special. The pen writes perfect English sentences when he tries it. What would you do with a glowing pen? The next day, Tom has a big test. He decides to use the pen. It writes all the answers perfectly. But wait, Tom thinks, I'll cheat. I won't study. Cheat means to do something dishonest. Suddenly, the pen stops glowing. A voice from the pen says, "Only honest words work." Honest means telling the truth. Honest. Why do you think the pen stopped? Tom feels bad. He lied, and the pen knows. It starts writing again, but this time it says, "Truth is the best lesson." A lesson is something you learn. The pen teaches Tom that truth, what is real and honest, is important. Tom says, "I'm sorry. I'll be honest now." Repeat. Lesson. Truth. Should Tom tell his teacher about this? And that's the story of the secret pen. Tom learned a big lesson about honesty. Did you learn these words? Say them with me. Pen, cheat, honest, lesson, truth. Comment below. Should Tom tell his teacher? Subscribe to Key to English for more magical English adventures. See you next time.